Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Think Big Digital. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add number list in Notion. And you just need to follow some steps. So open the page where you want to add the number list and scroll a bit down and give the command slash, and here you can see the option number list as you can see, and you just need to give the things whatever you want to add. And if you are on desktop, simply hit on the option enter and it will automatically give you the other number as like this. So that's pretty easy. And you can always give another command if you don't think if want to change the list. Give the command slash and you can change the list. As you can see, there are more options: to do list, toggle list, whatever. Or you can change the list from also here. As you can see, this is number list. Here you can change the thing from bulleted list, toggle list, to-do list, whatever, as like these options. So that's pretty easy. And that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks.